The evolution and power of the stock market, your gateway to financial freedom. What if I told you that understanding a few key principles about the stock market could unlock the door to financial freedom and potentially make you a millionaire? Stay with us as we unravel the fascinating journey of the stock market and show you how to harness its power for your own financial success. The birth of the stock market, a revolutionary concept. The stock market, as we know it today, began in Amsterdam in the early 1600s. The Dutch East India Company was the first to issue shares and bonds to the public, creating a way for individuals to invest in their enterprise. This novel idea allowed for the pooling of resources and the sharing of risks, laying the groundwork for what would become a cornerstone of modern finance. The establishment of the Amsterdam Stock Exchange marked the birth of an organized marketplace where securities could be traded. This innovation soon spread to other parts of Europe, with the London Stock Exchange emerging in 1801 and the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, in 1792, both of which played pivotal roles in the financial growth of their respective countries. The transformation of the stock market from paper to pixels. Fast forward to the 20th century, and the stock market underwent a series of transformations. The introduction of electronic trading in the 1970s revolutionized the industry. Before this, trading involved physical exchanges and paper certificates, but with the advent of computers, transactions became faster, more efficient, and accessible to a broader audience. The NASDAQ, launched in 1971, was the first electronic stock market, allowing investors to trade securities electronically. This innovation democratized the stock market, making it possible for more people to participate and invest in a diverse range of companies. The modern-day stock market, a global powerhouse today, the stock market is a complex, interconnected global network where trillions of dollars are traded daily. The NYSE and NASDAQ in the United States, the London Stock Exchange, and the Tokyo Stock Exchange, among others, serve as key hubs in this vast financial ecosystem. The accessibility of the stock market has been further enhanced by online trading platforms. Apps like Robinhood, E-Trade, and TD Ameritrade have made it possible for anyone with a smartphone and an internet connection to start trading. These platforms offer intuitive interfaces, educational resources, and powerful tools for research and analysis, empowering individuals to make informed investment decisions. The wealth-creating potential of the stock market. Investing in the stock market can be a transformative experience. It has the potential to create substantial wealth over time, provided you follow a disciplined approach. One notable example is the story of Chris Gardner, whose life inspired the movie The Pursuit of Happiness. Gardner went from being homeless to becoming a successful stockbroker and millionaire through perseverance and smart investing. Strategies and tips for beginners. Educate yourself thoroughly. The foundation of successful investing is knowledge. Utilize resources like Investopedia, financial news websites, and books such as The Little Book of Common Sense Investing by John C. Bogle to build your understanding. Start with a small investment. Begin with a small amount to gain practical experience. Platforms like Robinhood allow you to start with as little as $1, minimizing your initial risk. Diversify your investments. Avoid putting all your money into a single stock. Diversify across various sectors and asset classes to spread risk. Mutual funds and ETFs are excellent options for diversification. Focus on long-term goals. Stock market volatility can be unsettling, but history shows that long-term investments tend to grow. Stay patient and avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Stay updated. Keep yourself informed about market trends and economic news. Websites like Bloomberg and CNBC offer real-time updates and expert analysis. Utilize investment tools. Apps like Acorns and Stash help automate your investments and provide personalized advice, making it easier to maintain a disciplined investment strategy. Changing your financial future through stock market investments. The stock market offers a unique opportunity to grow your wealth and achieve financial independence. By understanding and applying sound investment principles, you can potentially transform your financial future. Apps and websites for beginner investors. Robinhood, known for its user-friendly interface and commission-free trades, Robinhood is perfect for beginners. E-Trade offers a comprehensive suite of educational resources and a wide array of investment options. TD Ameritrade, renowned for its robust trading platform and extensive research tools. Acorns, automates your investments by rounding up your everyday purchases and investing the spare change. Stash provides personalized investment advice and allows you to invest with small amounts of money. Your journey to financial freedom begins now. The journey of the stock market from its inception in 17th century Amsterdam to its current status as a global financial powerhouse is a testament to its enduring power and potential. By educating yourself, starting small, diversifying, and staying informed, you can harness this power to achieve your financial goals. The vision of waking up to find that your smart investments have made you a millionaire is within reach. It requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to learn. The stock market is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with the right approach, it can be a powerful tool for wealth creation. If you found this information valuable and want to learn more about the economy, wealth, and finances for a better future, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more tips, strategies, and insights that can help you navigate your journey to financial freedom. Your future self will thank you.